Hi, welcome back to Lake Lot Build. We're so glad you're here today.
Today we are going to work on epoxy flooring. And so we're going to have epoxy flooring for our garage. But before we do our epoxy flooring, we get to clean out the garage. So I guess we might as well go in the garage and start cleaning it out.
Stick around. We're going to take you from beginning to the end, all about how to install epoxy flooring. All right, well, here we are. Garage Experts is here, and they are pulling out everything from the truck. Today is a big day getting the floor prepped, and we're actually going to be able to lay down some of the epoxy today, the first layer. So let's go see what all is involved in this process. All right, so as you can see, we're starting to pull all of everything in here. And this is Max with Garage Experts. And just tell us a little bit about what all happens in this first stage today.
Well, right now we're getting ready to grind the floor to really open the pores to the concrete. We're going to vacuum it up, clean it, patch anything that needs to be patched, and then we'll be rolling epoxy and throwing flake out today.
Right, you had mentioned there's a couple of cracks, maybe very, very small.
Correct.
So you'll be sure that those are covered or filled in or anything that needs to happen there?
That is correct, yes.
Okay. You can see there's hardly any dust or anything coming up. It's really nice. So Max was just explaining to me, they're not actually grinding or taking much off. It's really just sanding, polishing to like open up the pores, because you want the concrete to be porous again. And you do want any like oil or things like that off, but you also want the concrete to be ready to absorb that epoxy and everything you're getting ready to put into it. That's a great thing. It actually makes for a longer lasting floor if they can get those pores opened back up in the concrete and allow that epoxy to really get in there and get settled and bond to the concrete floor. So this is a very important part. And it's one of those parts, to be honest, that in a DIY application, you know, you're not going to have this machinery, you're not going to have the ability to get your concrete prepped in this kind of fashion. So we're glad to have the pros here today and taking care of the floor for us. So now we've got a smaller sander that can get in around the support poles for our shelving. We want to be sure all of the edges are smooth and ready to go.
All right, so what is our next step here?
Our next step is, after this patching dries, we're going to start rolling out epoxy and then putting some flake on it. And that'll be it for today.
Okay, so the epoxy is one step. I always think of like the two-step that you buy in the store. It's just a one step.
Yeah, it's definitely not like the stuff you buy in the store. Today, yeah, it's the epoxy and the flake, and then tomorrow we have a sealer and a top coat. So counting the flake, you basically got 4 layers on the floor.
And is the epoxy something you roll on?
Yes, right.
Okay. All right, great. I'm excited to see the process here.
And here's the flake. How fun is that? All ready to go.
These are our cleats. These help us walk on the wet epoxy without leaving footprints and anything like that.
Okay, so we're just finishing up, rolling out the epoxy here. And I think next up is the flake. The guys have their super cool shoes on with the little cleats. So here we go. This seems like a lot more flake than like a general DIYer kind of application.
We overly throw flake and then we'll come in and blow most of it off tomorrow.
Excellent. Yeah,
We like to do 100% coverage because unlike the do-it-yourself ones you can buy at the store or whatever,
right.
It don't give you nowhere near this amount of flake, and with full coverage, it hides a lot of the imperfections in the concrete.
Yeah, you can tell it's a lot more than what you would buy in the store for sure. Yeah, 3 big buckets just for our 1 2-car garage. Just get a close up here of what they've thrown so far. And that's the floor we picked out. Get everything back in there, all nice and neat. And this will just be sure the garage floor is protected overnight. All right, so that's a wrap for today. And we'll see everybody tomorrow for the final coat and the sealer. Waiting on the professional epoxy floor people to come this morning, but I just had to show you guys this gorgeous sunrise we're having this morning. It's so beautiful. All right, we're back at it today. It is a dreary, cold day, but we're going to get the floor finished up here with the sealer and the top coat. There. Okay, so you can see we've got quite a pile of flake left over. And Max, that's because you were saying that you guys throw down quite a bit when you're doing the floors.
Yeah, we like to have complete 100% coverage. That's why we throw extra. And plus having that added weight on top of the initial flake, that helps press it down into the epoxy. That way it gets a good bond.
Yeah, and you can see here the floor is still completely covered. It looks fantastic. Okay, so we're getting ready to put the sealer. Is that the right term for it? Okay. And what does that do for our floor here?
The sealer fills in and adds an extra layer of protection other than the top coat.
And that's kind of what the oil resistant, and we'll be able to clean up any kind of spills or anything like that.
That is correct. Yes.
Okay, excellent. And it gets a little stinky.
A little bit.
How long does it take to dry?
The sealer only takes It depends on the weather. It averages about 20 to 30 minutes.
Okay.
Sometimes a little longer if it's cool. So
excellent. And when will we be able to walk, drive, get stuff in here?
You should be able to walk on it 24 hours from the time we're done today.
Perfect.
And drive on it 48 hours from the time we leave today.
Excellent. Okay. So we've given it some time to dry, and now we're going to do the final coat. All right, well, we are just wrapping up here on the epoxy floor. Next up, we're going to be able to show you the base that John and I are going to be able to install ourselves, a little DIY base around the garage floor. But great job here by Garage Experts. We're so pleased with the floor and how everything has turned out. 2 super quick days of install. And we'll show you the finished product next.